This video is about revving up the engine, strategies to boost a sluggish metabolism. Metabolism is the engine that powers our bodies, converting the food we eat into energy. However, many individuals find themselves grappling with a slow metabolism, which can lead to weight gain, fatigue, and a host of health issues. In this video, we will delve into the various factors influencing metabolism and explore practical strategies to rev up a sluggish one, allowing individuals to achieve and maintain a healthier, more energetic lifestyle. Understanding metabolism encompasses all the chemical processes occurring within the body to maintain life. Basal metabolic rate (BMR) refers to the energy expended while at rest, representing the minimum caloric requirement needed to sustain basic physiological functions. Several factors influence metabolism, including genetics, age, gender, body composition, and hormone levels. Factors contributing to a slow metabolism: age. As individuals age, their metabolism naturally tends to slow down. This can be attributed to a decrease in muscle mass and a potential decline in hormone production, particularly in women during menopause. Musculamus. Muscular tissue is metabolically active, meaning it burns more calories at rest compared to fat tissue. Therefore, a decrease in muscle mass, often associated with a sedentary lifestyle, can contribute to a slower metabolism. Dietary choices. Certain dietary habits, such as extreme calorie restriction or skipping meals, can signal the body to conserve energy, slowing down metabolism. Additionally, diets low in protein may negatively impact muscle maintenance and metabolic rate. Physical activity levels. Regular physical activity is a key driver of a healthy metabolism. Sedentary lifestyles contribute to muscle loss and can lead to a decrease in the number of calories burned throughout the day. Hormonal imbalances. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating metabolism. Conditions such as hypothyroidism can lead to a slowdown in metabolic processes, resulting in weight gain and fatigue. Strategies to boost metabolism. Strength training. Engaging in regular strength training exercises is one of the most effective ways to increase muscle mass. More muscle means a higher resting metabolic rate, helping the body burn more calories even at rest. High-intensity interval training (HIIT). HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest. This form of exercise not only burns calories during the workout, but also induces the afterburn effect, where the body continues to burn calories post-exercise. Adequate protein intake. Protein is essential for muscle repair and maintenance. Including lean protein sources in each meal can help support muscle mass and contribute to an increased metabolic rate. Balanced diet. Instead of extreme calorie restriction, focus on a balanced and nutrient-dense diet. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day can help maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevent the body from entering a conservation mode. Hydration. Staying well hydrated is crucial for metabolic processes. Water is involved in various biochemical reactions, and dehydration can lead to a decrease in metabolic efficiency. Adequate sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormonal balance, including hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support overall health, including metabolic function. Manage stress. Chronic stress can elevate cortisol levels, which may influence metabolism negatively. Incorporating stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can be beneficial. Green tea consumption. Green tea contains compounds like catechins, which have been shown to have a positive impact on metabolism. Incorporating green tea into your diet can be a flavorful way to support metabolic health. Spice it up. Certain spices, such as cayenne pepper, contain capsaicin, known for its thermogenic properties. This means it can temporarily increase the number of calories your body burns. Regular meal timing. Establishing a continuous meal schedule helps regulate metabolic processes. Aim to eat meals and snacks at regular intervals to keep your metabolism active throughout the day. Conclusion. A slow metabolism is not an insurmountable obstacle. Rather, it is a signal that our bodies may need attention and care. By incorporating a combination of lifestyle changes, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and proper stress management, individuals can empower themselves to boost their metabolism naturally. These strategies not only contribute to weight management but also support overall health and vitality. It's crucial to remember that everyone's body is unique, and finding the right combination of lifestyle adjustments may require some experimentation. With dedication and patience, individuals can start their sluggish metabolism and embark on a journey towards a healthier, more energized life.